Okay, say something. Jamie. Jamie. There's her mad somewhat. I don't really know how to explain that face. Kinda. She's laughing now. So that's a good sign. Now she's standing on a swing. Oh my god! Now she almost fell off of the swing. Now she's swinging on this swing. Majiggy. And she just hit the camera, okay. Okay.
Oh, that isn't good.
I thought she was gonna throw wood chips at me, but she didn't, okay.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Yeah, I suggest you don't. Okay. Jamie. Take a pose. Do your cheerleading thingy.
Yeah! Okay, you gotta get over here.
Okay. Ready, go. Woo! That was Jamie's cheerleading deal that she does. Who the fuck is that? Okay.
My knee hurts.